Nigerians should expect the launch of eNAIRA.
If this is the first time you are watching our video, you are watching Prince Inno TV. Subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell. President Muhammadu Buhari to finally launch eNAIRA October 25. On Monday, October 25, 2021, President Muhammadu Buhari will formally launch eNAIRA, the much-awaited electronic naira, the Central Bank of Nigeria has confirmed.
Simple term, I think Nigerians should expect something great for this country. Nigerians should expect the launch of eNAIRA, which is the digitalized form of the physical naira cash. Nigerians should expect a march to prosperity, a process by which we can deepen our financial inclusion, by which we can bring more people into the financial space. Nigeria should expect that they're going to have a payment system that becomes more efficient, that would cost less, that becomes more resilient in terms of the infrastructure that drives, the eNAIRA. So all in all, I think it's a prosperity for Nigeria and also for Africa.
A statement issued by the Director of Corporate Communications disclosed that President Buhari will perform the launch at the State House in Abuja. It was stated that the event by the President, the entire, which has the theme Naira, more possibilities, will become available to Nigerians to use as it would be activated. The CBN said a structure has been put in place to promptly address any issue that might arise from the pilot implementation of eNAIRA.
There are several processes that are involved. First, I think we all need to understand the fact that the eNAIRA is just an electronic representation of your physical naira. And so it's going to be one-to-one. There is no arbitrage. If you hold one eNAIRA, it's equivalent to your physical, one naira. And the processes that are involved is that, first, central bank is going to be the central authority in terms of the minting and the issuance of the eNAIRA. So that responsibility rests, squarely with the central bank. Central bank will issue just the same way, the physical notes and coins are issued. Central bank will issue the virtual one. And then the banks, the commercial banks and other financial service providers will be involved in the distribution. And so as a consumer, as a citizen, as a Nigerian, or as a bank customer, what I need to do, starting from October 1st, is to have a wallet created, similar to the way you open a bank account. Nigerians will be expected to open their e-wallet, the eNAIRA wallet, where they can keep the eNAIRA. So first thing, the banks will be involved, and others have expect everyone to take their phones and go to, there are two basic operating systems, very popular operating systems used by our phones. It's either the Android or the iOS. And so if you're an Android phone user, you just go to Google Play and download the eNAIRA app. And if you're an iOS Apple user, you go to the App World and download the eNAIRA app. Once you do that, there are certain instructions that will come with it upon activation, and then very simple instruction that you go through in connecting to your bank to register or create an e-wallet for you. And so once the e-wallet is created, your bank will do, once you initiate the creation of the e-wallet or opening of the e-wallet, your bank will do some KYC, some kind of background check, just to be sure that you are who you say you are. And upon that, the system will create an e-wallet for you, the eNAIRA wallet for you, which is similar to the account, the bank account that you used to have. And upon that, then you need to fund it. Just like you fund your account, you then need to fund it. And it's also very simple. Through the same app, you can actually go in there, instruct your bank by choosing a bank, and then indicate the account that you want the money to be moved from to your eNAIRA wallet. And all this will be done seamlessly. You also have an option of walking to a bank branch, and later, as we move along, the agents' outlets will also be open for you to be able to walk to, hand over your cash, especially for those that are underserved, hand over your cash, and you have it digitized into an e-wallet. So it's going to be a very simple process that will be highly guided by a lot of automated process within the app. And I think every Nigerian, especially those that already have a bank account, will be very easy for them to do that. And for those that do not have a bank account, the agent outlets and the bank branches are there for them to approach so that they can be guided through in terms of how to open the...
Thanks for watching Prince Inno TV. Remember to subscribe.